How to forward voice messages on Wechat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to forward voice messages on Wechat. Open the Wechat application on your mobile device. Select the chat from here. To demonstrate, let's record a voice message. Press and hold the voice message you wish to send. Then tap on Select. You can also forward multiple voice messages. Now, you can select them one by one to forward or combine them and forward them together. For example, if you choose one by one forward. Finally, tap on Send to send the message to the desired recipient. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.